wardrobe on 10. There's at least 100, everything gon' flee. That's why she keep me coming, don't need no weed. Just so I can grab it if I'ma spend this money on her.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another Valentine's Day makeup look. This time it is going to be a cute, real simple makeup look with rhinestones and of course a red lip. I told you I was going to come back and make some more of these videos for you. So I do have a couple more that are going to go up in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. But of course, if you're looking to achieve this look, then make sure you stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so of course I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I went in with the AOA brush on concealer and just applied that on both of my eyelids, blending them both out so the eyeshadow has a good stick. Then I went in with the Jahavia Palace palette right there and used that brownish orangish tone there and just applying that around my whole eyelid. And this is the eyeshadow that we only are going to be using throughout this whole video, so you're just going to apply it all over your eyelids, just blending it all out beautifully. Then I went in with this Tony eyeliner. You're just going to go ahead and do a cute winged eyeliner on both sides. I like to just go ahead and do my line on both sides of the eyelids, and then I'll go ahead and start carrying out my wings. Okay, then I went in with mascara and just applying that on both sides. Just, just to make sure that when we apply our falsies, it looks good and blended. Then I'm going in with the Sheen Cat Eye Falsies and applying that with my Salon Pro hair glue. I'm just going to apply the falsies. Absolutely love these eyelashes. Like, it just gives like a full look. It kind of looks like they're lash extensions a little bit. I think that's why I like them a lot. And just making sure that they're on properly. Then going back in with the AOA brush on concealer and applying the first layer of concealer for the bags. And just gonna blend that out. And of course, kind of do my nose and get all of my acne scars and like redness that I have. And went in with my Wet n Wild powder and just kind of powder my whole entire face so that way my foundation has a good stick and my face is not oily. Then I went in with my NYX Blur foundation. I love this foundation. I highly recommend it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it all out throughout my whole entire face. Get all of the good areas, and it does have really good coverage as well. And just going to go ahead and blend out that entire foundation, just so that way all the areas are covered and it's not too much excess just kind of laying there on top of the layer of my face. Then going in with the e.l.f. concealer and going to go ahead and blend out the concealer under my eyes and carry it out to have a lighter effect. And of course, going to conceal the nose and the forehead. Then I'm going to go in with the Ace Beauty contour palette and it's going to go ahead and contour my face. I love this contour. I've tried doing the contour like liquid contour, but it doesn't work too well for me, so the powder is always best. And I'll go ahead and start the contour of the nose. Just kind of want to go ahead and drag it. And then of course you want to blend it out so it's not too dark. Then I went in with my e.l.f. HD powder and just going to go ahead and press the powder in to where I applied all of the concealer under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and under my nose because I get really oily there, and my chin. And I'm going to go ahead and powder underneath my contour to make it have a sharper look. I don't leave the powder on very long. I don't like to bake, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush off all of the powder. And I'm going to go back in with the same contour brushes that I use, not carrying any excess powder and just going over the lines I did. Then going in with my Perfect Complexion blush palette and applying blush on both of my cheeks. Could never go wrong with blush. I think it always brings out the makeup looks. Going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit and using that highlight there and just applying it on both sides. And you want to get a good highlight, and then just going to go ahead and apply that on my nose as well. And I'm going to go ahead and use these rhinestones that I had purchased off Shein. It kind of is like stickers, so it kind of helps. Before, like, I would use like glue for the other rhinestones, but I like these because it just sticks on like a sticker and it lasts very long. It doesn't come off unless you touch it, of course. And I'm just going to apply those all in my inner duct there, kind of give it a cute little effect. And then just make sure that it's even on both sides. Go on about the same pattern how you did the other. Then I'm going to go ahead and carry that down below my wing eyeliner and just apply 3 rhinestones there. Make sure you push them in so that way it's really sticking to your skin. And applying mascara underneath both of my lower lash lines. I love this look. I love rhinestones. And I'm going in with the LA Color liquid, not the liquid, I'm sorry, the lip pencil. Like I mentioned before, if you have watched my previous videos, I love this lip liner, and I'm going to use it to the full extent until it's literally mini. So don't come for me. Then I went in with the Morphe James Charles. Now I did this, and I used that shade there, the red shade, only because, one, I thought I had liquid red lipstick, but I didn't, so we had to DIY it. And this actually stayed on all day without having to, like, reapply. So I really like that. So I think eyeshadow might be my little go-to when it comes to applying color. And then I just went back over with the liner just to kind of make it all blend all together. And that's the finished look. And I will go ahead and be right back because I'm going to go ahead and finish my hair off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so of course I went ahead and did my hair off camera. So this is the finished full look here. Okay, love the rhinestones, super cute, very simple, and it was pretty fast to do. Of course, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, I am going to do a few more of these Valentine's Day makeup looks because it is just right there. So stay tuned for the next few videos that are going to be posted. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.